welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a power hour clean with me. We have spent the morning, Waverly and I, playing outside. We went to the park and ate some lunch. We just had a fun time, and I just kind of like left my house the way it was this morning. So now that it's nap time, I want to go ahead and just clean it really quick. It really isn't too messy, so I think it's going to be totally manageable to do it in about an hour. So really I just want to focus on like making my bed, cleaning the living room and the kitchen, and then if we have enough time I'll kind of clean the bathroom. That's kind of like on my last of the priority list, so we'll see if we get that done. But when Waverly wakes up, it's such a nice day that I want to be able to take her right outside. So I wanted to get the house clean so we didn't have to worry about any of the chores and we could just have fun today. So if you guys need some cleaning motivation, put me on your phone, screen, TV, whatever, and clean along with me. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer and see how much I can get done in about 1 hour. So let's go ahead. Oh wait. So let's go ahead and get started.
Difficult, I never really know what is going on. Let me know what I already don't, I'd be grateful. Yeah, we'll talk when you're ready. I have heard one too many of your sad little stories.
Okay, so first off, sorry if my voice is sounding a little sickly. I did end up getting sick this past week, and I'm finally starting to feel better. I just kind of have like a scratchy voice and my nose is kind of running a little bit, but I have never been that sick in my entire life. Waverly had kind of been off and on sick for the past couple of weeks, and then basically a week ago from when you're seeing this live, I started to kind of get sick, and over the weekend it got worse, and this past Monday was probably the hardest day of my entire life. I don't think I've ever been that sick ever. It was enough that Trajan had to stay home from work because he was worried about me because I was so out of it, and I knew there was no possible way that I could watch Waverly. I just knew I just couldn't. Normally I feel like when I'm sick I can like push through and, you know, still be a good mom and take care of Waverly, but like I just couldn't even function. For me to fall asleep, I had to like have a cloth on my head, like over my eyes, and like hold pressure. And I took like 5 or 6 like naps during the day, and then getting a good night's rest sleep just really helped me. Thank goodness that I'm feeling better, because that was seriously brutal. And especially being pregnant, I feel like that's always kind of scary. You never know like what's happening. And so if I wouldn't have started to get better, I would have been going to the doctor the next day, but I had started to feel better. So I was like, okay, I'm glad that's over with. So now I am just getting the house clean. I started in my room, made the bed really quick, and then I went ahead and cleaned up some of Waverly's toys that were in the living room. Really, my house wasn't too messy. It was just kind of needing to be picked up a little bit. So I'm now moving on into the kitchen, getting the counters all cleaned and wiped down, and then we will move on into getting all the dishes done.
I try to fix it, I try to picture someone else but you. But then you kissed me, and now there's nothing else I wanna do. For the record, I never thought it would be you and me. You said tomorrow, let's see what happens, but it's plain to see. And tonight we're like fire and ice. I'm burning all over, and we're starting to riot
And today's video is in collaboration with my friend Courtney. On her channel, she loves to share tons of cleaning motivation, decorating, and home makeover videos. She's also a full-time teacher, so she shares videos in her classroom, which I think is so fun. She will share cleaning her classroom, prepping her classroom. She also shares decorating. I think you guys are going to love her. I'm going to let her introduce herself.
Hey y'all, I'm Courtney and I'm a full-time teacher, but I do YouTube on the side as a hobby. Over on my channel, I like to do cleaning motivation, makeover videos, and homemaking videos. I also like to do cleaning motivation and reset videos within my classroom. Today's video is going to be a spring clean and it's going to be inside of my bedroom. And I also threw in a fun and easy recipe. So when you get done watching Haley's video, make sure you come and check out my channel. Thanks again, Haley, for collabing with me on today's video.
And if you're coming over from Courtney's channel, hi, my name is Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, homemaking videos, and tons of just mom motivation. I love just sharing lots of realistic life that happens on a daily basis. I am a working mom. I bring my daughter to work with me a couple of times a week. So I kind of talk about that in my voiceovers. And then I also am currently pregnant with a baby boy, over 20 weeks now, due at the end of August. We are so excited. So if you love tons of pregnancy and mom and cleaning motivation videos, I hope you will stick around and subscribe today. But thank you guys all so much for being here.
Okay, so as you can see, we have a little bit of change of plans. I'm gonna pause this really quick. We got about 33 minutes in, and so she only took like a little bit over a 30-minute nap, and I do want her to just rest a little bit more before we're playing a lot. So what I'm gonna do, just so that way she gets a little bit more resting time, since she didn't take that long, or not, probably because I started the dishes and they were louder and I should have started with that first, but that's okay. I'm just gonna turn on a little show for her, get her a little snack, and then I'm going to tackle the floors in the bathroom, and then that'll probably get me to about the 30-minute mark for being an hour power hour, and that's originally what I had planned for with Waverly sleeping. So I'm gonna go ahead and plan for that. We have to be flexible here, but yeah, she's still a little tired, so she might even fall asleep as she's watching a show still. So I'm gonna get her a little snack, get her a show, and then I'll resume my time.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Okay, so we're just here in the bathroom now getting things nice and deep cleaned. I just needed to clean the sink, wipe the counters, clean the mirrors. I also needed to clean the toilet and the tub, and then I just vacuumed the floors. I didn't worry about mopping on this day.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
Okay, so we're just finishing up cleaning this bathtub. I'm going to vacuum the floors, and then I wasn't sure if I was going to do this on this day, but I still had a few minutes running on my timer. So I was like, okay, I'm going to hurry, get the clothes that were out of the dryer, and put in the clothes that were in the washer into the dryer, fold up that load of laundry really quick just so it can get done. It really wasn't a big load, but then I knew that I got laundry done for the day, and I just could feel super accomplished, and it didn't matter then how long I was playing outside with Waverly, that we could just spend the afternoon playing, which was so fun. And I'm so glad I just kind of put a timer on myself of how long I could clean. And then once I was done with that timer, I was just done and I could focus on that. And I think in the summertime, that's what I'm going to need to do, because I can get so distracted with just cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. And it gets to be sometimes that you just need to take a break from the cleaning and spend time with your kids, go outside and play. So that's definitely what I'm going to be implementing this summer, so we can spend all of our time outside. And I'm super excited for that, especially just savoring the last few months that I'll have with just Waverly and I, because this time will never be the same. Life's going to get a lot more crazy, and it's going to be so much fun, and I'm so excited. but things will definitely be changing a little bit in how we're doing things around our home. I'm gonna go ahead and fold up this load of laundry, and then that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me today. It means so much to me that you guys watch my videos. And don't forget to stop by Courtney's channel and let her know that I sent you. I will have her video linked in the description, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.